Let me guess. You've got some unwanted visitors crawling around. And no, I'm not talking about your in-laws. We're talking about cockroaches. They can go weeks without food, live off practically anything, and they can even hold their breath for over 30 minutes. They're fast, sneaky, and seem to have 9 lives. But what if I told you there's a super simple, affordable hack to kick these pests out of your home? For good. No chemicals, no expensive products, just a few things you already have lying around the house. Interested? You should be, because this tip will blow your mind. We are about to outsmart them using nothing more than sugar, baking soda, toothpaste, and aluminium foil. This method is not only shockingly simple, but it's also super effective and won't cost you a fortune. So let's get started with the magic mixture. First up, we're using a tablespoon of sugar. Why? Because cockroaches can't resist the sweet stuff. It's like a buffet they can't say no to. Next, we're adding a tablespoon of baking soda. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Baking soda is like a secret weapon. It's harmless to us, but creates a major problem for cockroaches when ingested. Think of it as an internal explosion for them. Gross, I know, but it works. Finally, we've got our third hero, toothpaste. Yep, you heard me right. Toothpaste chemical makeup does more than clean your teeth. It actually helps repel those nasty bugs. It works on flies and mosquitoes too. Just a small amount, about a tablespoon, will do the trick. Next, mix everything together in a dish or bowl using a spoon. Now we're making it into a ball, just like this, by wrapping it in aluminium foil. And here's the genius part. Grab a toothpick and poke a few holes into the foil so the smell can escape and lure in those sneaky cockroaches. Once you've made a couple of these, place them in the spots where you usually see cockroaches hanging out. Kitchens, bathrooms, dark corners, you name it. These guys won't be able to resist. And just like that, the cockroach invasion comes to an end. You'll be amazed at how quickly these pests pack their bags and get out. If you want more cockroach extermination tips, then check out this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.